Well, it's time to review trading activities, and my colleague is live in the studio, market editor Effiong Ekop. Effiong, it's good to have you in. It's like the market is bouncing back into the positive trend. We have a plus 0.60%. Oh, is it higher? What do you have?
Yeah, stock prices are just beginning to pick up after a lull that we witnessed at the beginning of the week because investors, majority of them holding banking securities, were unhappy with the directive from the CBN, and they went on sales window and sold off huge stocks belonging to many of the banks, especially the big ones. So I think the market is beginning. So
indeed, that directive, a lot of reactions to that directive.
It's very, very serious, and many of the investors and then fund managers, individuals, they are not really comfortable with the directive. They are asking the Central Bank of Nigeria to reverse the directive, that it has great negative implications, to the market, especially regarding financial services securities.
Yeah. So moving forward, let's see, the stocks are really performing so well today.
Yeah, today we have Ekop hotels, we have livestock, Better Glass, PZ, Legend Internet, and the UPL. You will see that there are mid-level securities. The big ones that we know are just lying down, and they are not, coming up to. But the losers, we have majority of them in the insurance markets. Suno Assurance, Guinea Insurance. You have Champion Breweries, CNI Leasing. It's just that, as I said, the market is beginning to, look up. It is a situation that when the weight of investors' reaction, tumble in, you weigh it, which direction it will go. And tomorrow is Friday, so if it comes positive again, that means we will only be able to get trading in green for just 3 days.
Yeah,
because we had down on Monday,
down on Tuesday.
Yesterday, it managed to, pick up. I just think that central bank may have reason to hold stakeholders meeting, because the way I've seen investors reacting, and reading all through, I think they are not so. It's like they want to be carried along to understand exactly the mind of the central bank, which I think the bank may have meant very well, especially regarding the activities of the big banks. But ordinary shareholders who have labored to put their money in the market, they feel they are entitled to dividend. And that on no account should you tell any company to hold it back. It's a very serious argument. Yes, you know that for a reasonable long period of time, starting from COVID-19 era until about 2 years ago, that investors were really suffering in the market. They were not making money. Do you understand? So it is the reforms that we have seen in recent times in the market that has brought about the boom and then make them to, get a dividend payout the way they wanted. So anything to stop this, they view it with very serious intentions.
Let's see how the market will close for the week tomorrow.
I really look forward to that. I cannot really predict because I have felt the pulses of those investors. I interviewed some of them. They are really very, very bitter about the regulators' position.
Thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. There, my colleague, live breaking down market figures.
Thank you very much.
All right, then. Well, let's